Okay, welcome back, student. Good morning. 8th maths class. Today we'll start with 2.2. First, we will solve this 5 problem. Then again, we will solve example. On the base of Alika, after lecturing, please call me. So, as per the shape, corresponding means F, alternate angle means Z. Uh, we see the checklist, waiting lists are there. Uh, Vertically opposite X, linear Y. From there, interior and linear are supplementary, means the total is 180. Rest of all are congruent. 3 pair of congruent corresponding means F. Vertically opposite means X. Z alternate angle. So we will use that only. Okay. So there are different method you can solve. Okay. From this 5 pair, any pair you can use, but your answer should be equal, same. This is one MCQ, but I'll show you this official method how to get the answer. But in exam, no need to do the method. This is 3x, this is x. This is 3x, this is x. You can see it is interior, C shape. So you must know that 3x plus x is equal to 180. So 4x is equal to 180. So x is wait. Okay, now wait, your frequency is full, you have to wait for some time. Okay, so 180, half 90, half 45, half of half, because divided by 4. And options are given 135, 90, 45, 40. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So this is first, no? So answer is A. Answer is 45, C. Now next diagram are given this. So this is 4x. This is 2x. This is also MCQ type. So 2x is equal to 2x. And this is equal to C shape. So 4x plus 2x is equal to 180. So 6x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 divided by 6. X is equal to 30 degree. A, B, C, D. These answers are 90, 60, 45, 30. So what is X? Wait. Yes, wait. Wait. Now it is good. Vaishnavi, now it is good. Wait. Wait. I'm doing. Okay. Now, this is first, second. $40 y 70. And x also. This much we want. Correct. Now, this one I will take A, this one I will take B. So 70 is equal to A because vertically opposite angle. Correct. Now this you can see as a C shape. So y plus A is equal to 180 because interior angle, and y plus 70 it is 180. Y it is 180 minus 70 it is 110. So this is 110. Then you can take this C, this and this linear. Vaishnavi, remove them. Okay. And this is F. You can say, so this is 40, this is also 40. So B is equal to 40. Corresponding. This is 40, so this is 40. And x plus b is equal to 180 linear. X 40 jump. So this we got 140 answer final, and y we got 110 final. Again I am explaining with a different color. This is 40, this is y, this is 70, this is x. Now see, if this is 70, this is 70, vertically opposite angle, and these two lines are parallel, so you can see this and this. It is a C shape. Y plus 70. 70 plus how much is it is y. 70 plus how much is equal to 180. 70 plus 110, it is 180. Now this is equal to this 40. Vertically opposite you can take. No, internal 40 given, sorry. So F shape, you can see F. So this is 40, this is 40. 40 plus how much is equal to 180? 40 plus 140 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 140. So you have not to copy this same to same. You can do by some other way, by Z, by C, by Y, by X. No, your signal is perfect. Wait for the range, wait. Wait for the range, wait. If you will make my corner, I will remove. Don't repeat same to same again and again, again and again. L and PQ, two lines are parallel. L, M, P, Q. This is 80. This is A. This is B. This is C. And I will write this one will X for simple calculation. Now L parallel to M and P parallel to Q given, correct? Now first you can see this C shape. So 80 plus A is equal to 180, linear pair. So A is equal to 180 minus 80. So it is 180. Now you can see this F. So this is equal to A, this is equal to X. So X is equal to A is equal to 100. Why? F means what? Corresponding angle F. Now this plus this 180, X plus B is equal to 180. So X we got 100. So B is equal to 180 minus 100. Correct? So this is 80, this is 100. This is 100, this is 100. F. This is linear, so 80. Now again you can see this is F. F. This is B, this is C. So B is equal to C is equal to 80. Why? Corresponding angle. Again I want to explain separate diagram. This is 80. So this is C shape. In C shape, total is 180. 80 plus how much it is? 180. So 100. So 100. So now again you are finding F. So this and this. So this is 100. This is 100. This is 100. Vertically opposite also 100. Now no need to find out vertical. Linear. This is linear. 100 plus how much it is? 180. So 80. So now you can find this F. That is C and B. So this is 80. This is 80. From a different way also you can take. Suppose this is 80. So this is 80. So this is F. Again you can find. If this is 80. This is 80. And you can find F. 80. So like that also C is 80. And from C is 80, B is also 80 because this is F. And this to this corresponding, and this to this linear, this to this again corresponding. So there are lots of different method you can try. But that phi shape, X vertically opposite, Y linear, C interior, F corresponding, Z alternate. Fourth one. This is third. One 105 Z X Y AB and L. A parallel to B. A parallel to B. It is given. See 105 and X both are. See, you can see F you can see F. So this equal to this. So X is equal to 100 and 5 because corresponding, and X equal to Y vertically opposite, this equal to this. When it is crossed, no, so this equal to this. If it is 105, this is 105. Vertically opposite angle. Now I will write this A. So A also it is 105, vertically opposite angle. This is 105, this is 105. Now Z and A, it is 180. Linear. So this is linear, Y shape. Speaker on. Who's speaker on? Omkar. A is 105. So Z is equal to 180 minus 105. So Z is equal to 75. Z is equal to 75. Now again F you are observing here. This is A, this is Y, A is equal to y is equal to 105. Corresponding. So by next to next, by corresponding, by vertically opposite, by interior angle, different method you can apply. Same I am explaining again. X Z. So it is nearby angle, next to next angle. So always total 180. So 105 plus how much it is 180? 75. And this is 105, so this is 105, vertically opposite. And this is F. So this and this 105, so this is automatically 105. This is 105, so vertically opposite. So like that you can change the method, like that you can change the sequence of the method. One more from here also you can start. This is also F. So this is 105. This is also 105. So X is equal to 105. So from given number, no, nearby number you can find, from opposite also you can find, from that corresponding you can find, from that alternate also you can find. So that is your choice, that you can start from any point. Now very important question. Whatever I am giving, the point wise, that all you have to write in workbook, notebook. Your workbook is internal marks purpose you have to maintain. Very good example. No, your frequency is, you have to wait. PQL. This line is P, this line is Q, this line is L. 40, 30. This is A, this is B, and total is X. See, very systematic, stepwise I will write. 2 steps. Line P parallel to line L. Line L parallel to line Q. This parallel to this. And this parallel to this. So here, are you observing Z? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Z. So A is equal to 40. Z shape means alternate angle. in here you are observing Z. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. B is equal to 30. Again Z. Alternate angle. Now I want X. X is made up of A plus B. So A is 40, B is 30, it is X, 70, it is X. How simple? Again. Each and every sum I am explaining twice. See, you are observing Z. So this is equal to this. So 40 is equal to A is equal to 40. Again you are observing Z. Again you are observing Z. So B is equal to 30. So B is equal to 30. And now I want total. So that is 30 plus 40. Poonam, your mic is on, beta. Okay, so overall X is equal to 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. Now two very important angles, angle measurement are given. First we will do this, very important. Here I can manage. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, B is given, E is given. Whose mic is on? B, X plus 15, E, 2x plus 15. Now try to get the answer. As we know, first what are C? So M parallel to N. B is equal to D is equal to X plus 15. Why? Vertically opposite angle. So this comes this side, it is X plus 15. This is this. Now you can observe C. This. So this is D plus E, it is 180 because it is an interior angle. D plus E, it is 180. C shape. So D plus E, what is D? It is X plus 15. We want X. What is E? 2x plus 15. It is 180. 2x plus 1x, 3x. 15 plus 15, 30. 30 jump. Whenever you cross equal sign, you have to change sign. 180 minus 30, it is 150. Now divide. X is equal to 150 divided by 3. So it is 50. So substitute, no. D is equal to how much? X plus 15. X means 50 plus 65. 50 plus 16 is equal to 65. And E is equal to 2x plus 15. So 2 times 15 plus 15. So 100 plus 15, 115. So 65, 115, it is 180. So your answer is correct. Like that you can tally your answer also. Follow? Two angles are given in a X form. We got both the answers. Don't make noise. One more solve example. Whenever there are two lines, one line is intersecting, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When two intersection line, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 8 angles are there. Total 8 angles are there. Out of 8, if only single is given, rest of very easily you can find out. Rest of very easily you can find out. How? This is 70. So vertically opposite also 70. This is 70. So you can see Z. So this is also 70. Vertically opposite also 70. Same. This equal to this. Vertically opposite. This equal to this Z. Alternate angle. This equal to this. Again vertically opposite. Or you can see this F. 70, 70 equal. You can see this F. 70, 70. Again equal. Now, nearby angle, this plus this is 180. 70 plus how much? It is 180. So it is 110. And again see vertically opposite 110, 110, 110, 110. And you can see Z. So again 110. Again opposite. One more example I am giving. This is, I have taken smaller number, now I am taking bigger number. Now, suppose this is 120. Only one given. Rest of we have to find. So this is 120. So you can see F 120, 120. Now you can see X. This is 120. This is 120. X. This is 120. This is 120. or this you can find f. So 120 to 120, 120 to 120, then z. So 120 to 120, again x, 120 to 120. Now nearby this total 180, 180 minus 120, it is 60. Again vertically opposite 60. Again z, so 60, 60. Again vertically opposite 60. So here this smaller one given, so rest of 7 we got. Here also one given, rest of 7 we got. Dear student, from this chapter parallel line, all calculation parts over. Method of that 5 shape. C means interior, F means corresponding, Z means alternate, X means vertically opposite, Y means linear. Related to that, to find out the angle, to substitute the answer, or from 1 to many, from 1 to 7, that all topic we have covered. Now what is remain? Diagrams remain. This is a parallel line topic. So how to draw a parallel line? By using different apparatus, by different method. So tomorrow in this class, be present on time with your 2 set square. That 2 triangles are there in your compass box. That I want. Pencil, scale, rounder, protractor, set square. This all I want during the lecture. Only 5 diagram we have to observe and to draw rough diagram and fair diagram. Very sharp. Nasreen, mic on kar. After each and every minute, somebody make on the mic. Okay, so tomorrow come with all the apparatus joint sharply on time, and this host Vaishnavi is little bit busy with 10th standard also, so I need one more Alisha or what that you will suggest Vaishnavi that from next week who will give me help, okay, as a host, because I don't want to touch anything. I will only just explain this in and out. You will do, who will do this and irritating. Okay, so tomorrow with construction, be prepared with all the apparatus. Thank you.